Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to enable or disable animation on Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. After that, press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. After that, press on Chat Settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get Animation. In this case, Animation Disabled. If you want to enable animation, just press on this icon. Now animation enabled. If you want to disable animation, just press again on the same icon. Now animation disabled. Here we reach the end of the video. In this video we explain how to enable or disable animation on Telegram app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.